Question 4 of this exercise says if a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 sweets each. How many would each get if the number of children reduced by 4? So it is given in the question that the number of children are 24 and each one is getting 5 sweets. So when we decrease the number of children by 4, so it will become 20 children and the number of sweets will increase per person. So which means they are in inverse proportion. So let's take it as A and let's take it as B. And as we know that A is inversely proportional to B, A equals to K multiplied by 1 by B. And from here we'll find the value of K, that is A into B. We have the value of A, we have the value of B. We can find the value of K. So from here we'll get the value of K, that is 120. Now we have the value of A, we have the value of K. We can find the value of B. So let's do it. As we know that K equals to A into B, we have the value of K, that is 120. A equals 20, we can find B. So B will equal to 120 divided by 20, which is same as 6. So when there are 20 children, each will get 6 sweets.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.